Alright, web designers, let's talk UX audits, the secret weapon for leveling up any website. Whether you're working with a client or your own portfolio, a solid UX audit can seriously boost usability, conversions, and user happiness. So here's how I break it down, step by step. First, I kick things off with a quick site walkthrough. I look for obvious friction points, slow load times, confusing navigation, broken links. I ask myself, if I was a first-time visitor, would I know what to do next? Next up, I check for consistency. Fonts, colors, spacing, they all need to play nice together. If something looks off, chances are users will notice too. Now, on to user flows. I map out the main paths like signing up, checking out, or contacting support. Are there too many steps? Any dead ends? I jot down every hiccup I find. I can't forget mobile. I pull up the site on my phone and tablet to see if everything's responsive. Buttons too small, text hard to read, that's a red flag. For the deep dive, I use tools like heat maps to see where users click and scroll. Analytics help me spot drop-off points in pages with high bounce rates. Finally, I wrap it up with clear action points. Maybe it's simplifying a form, speeding up images, or rewriting that homepage headline. The goal? Make every tweak count. So, if you want your next site to shine, try this UX audit routine. It's simple, actionable, and guaranteed to help you spot what really matters. Happy designing.